I bought a desk. Now, you may be asking me, really? Another desk video? You've made 2 already. You're practically milking this content already, Kai. And to that I say, I'm just running out of content ideas. Now, you may be asking me again, why are you buying another desk when you posted like 2 desks in 2 months? And to that as well, I say, I don't know. Anyway, honestly, I really wanted to switch to a desk that would last me for a really long time. All of the desks that I've had kinda had problems with them, and honestly, I really was tired of having a wobbly desk, or they were really too uncomfortable, too flimsy, or just not pretty. I wanted a desk that would last me for the next couple years. So, I decided to go with IKEA. I've heard many good things about IKEA, and honestly, I really wanted to buy their products as soon as I heard that an IKEA store opened in the Philippines. So, I head over to the IKEA website and I see the wonderful desk. The loved Captain desk. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Looking at it, it looked really nice. I really love the dual drawers on each side, as well as the thick board that will be used for the main surface area. And the board looked really thick and good quality as well. Not to mention the dimensions they offered were perfect for my window. So a few days later, with an empty wallet, I purchased the desk. And after a few weeks, the desk finally arrived in the house. Now let me tell you this shit was so heavy. I was so shocked when I picked it up. Just carrying it alone was like, it just broke my legs. And it killed me because I had to go upstairs. So enjoy me struggling to bring these boxes to my room. After painfully bringing the boxes into my room, I set it down and I started unboxing. Now honestly, I didn't know what the I was doing. There were so many pieces in the box, and honestly, I was just overwhelmed immediately. There were boards, there were nails, there were so many, there were everything. Luckily, when I read the manual, I realized that I had an IKEA product, and I'm sure they probably made it easy for it to install. After unboxing the instructions and taking a look at the pieces and arranging them, honestly, it really felt like it was just Lego for adults. Okay, that sounded wrong. So, after reading the manual and taking a small bite to eat, I started working on the desk. Honestly, I would love to build more IKEA furniture in the future because it was really fun. I loved assembling everything. Yes, the transportation and costs were really annoying, and yes, sometimes I do find stories of people having missing pieces, but honestly, for my experience, I really love setting it up and building it. So yeah, it was really satisfying sort of having the end product as well. Anyway, after building it for 4 to 5 hours and a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, here is the end result. Putting everything together, I really liked how everything came out. The black desk really put color into my room, and it really complements with the white and black aesthetic I'm going for. I still don't know how I'm going to sort my drawers, but it's really useful for storage, and I'm probably going to figure that out later, or I'm just going to be lazy and I'm just going to store everything in the drawers. Lastly, I wanted to upgrade my audio setup for a bit, so I decided to buy some cheap monitor speakers. This is the Edifier speakers, and I got them from Shopee. I really like the white look of the speakers, and it was really easy to connect them to my rig. I just had to connect the 3.5mm jack to the speakers as well as the power source. Now, they sound really good. Now, I'm speaking from someone who upgraded from their laptop speakers, so maybe I just have low expectations, but the bass is there and the frequencies are there as well. And if I did not want to use the monitor mode, which will showcase the frequencies accurately, I could instead press the button for it to change into media mode, where I could boost the bass or the high frequencies so that I could have a more better sort of enjoyable listening experience. And overall, I really like them. I even got some fake plants from IKEA and I placed them on top of the speakers to give my desk a sort of green look to it. I even have my plant I got from the market in town, and overall I really like the look of them on my desk. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. It was really fun to make. It was really tiring, but it was overall a nice sort of journey to sort of finish the making of my desk. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!